Guys, you are here at the Movember Rally here in Miami. We are here with 160 Lamborghinis that have got together to bring awareness for men's health and prostate cancer. Clients from all across South Florida joined us today with all of the South Florida dealers together to make sure that we bring awareness for this incredible cause. With over $100,000+ raised, $36,000 solely from Lamborghini Miami, we are excited to be here, and so are our clients, friends, and family. What you're about to see today is an incredible, incredible experience, and I hope one day you guys get a chance to join us here at the Movember Rally from Lamborghini Miami. So I think there's a massive misconception when it comes down to men and women's mental health. Today we're focusing on men's health and letting everybody know that it is okay to ask for help, to discuss any sort of situation that you're enduring in your life, and maybe fear, maybe depression, maybe loneliness. These are things that need to be discussed. And in an environment like Lamborghini, these are some of the most macho-isto men from around the country, and you would never expect for Lamborghini to have an opportunity to want to bring such a focus on such a good cause. Some of the clients that we've met with today, I have heard stories and different things that have endured in their lives. All of the trials and tribulations that some of our customers have entered in an effort to succeed, have at one point in their life gone through this. This is a perfect opportunity for all of us to be able to discuss. The network and the community are able to connect, and from there, not only does it bring awareness and incredible charity, but it also brings all the clients together. And I do know that there's a lot of Lamborghinis here, but not everybody that wants to get involved has to have a Lamborghini, and that's the truth. If you want to get involved, please visit our website at LamborghiniMiami.com and check our latest event for the Movember. You can donate, you can get involved, and there is definitely different hotlines to ask for any type of help. Now you've gotten a little behind the scenes tour. Now let's get everybody in our cars, get this thousands of horsepower rocking and rolling, and let's get started. I'll see you soon.
Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? Wonderful. My name is Brittany Veneris. I'm the director of U.S. Fundraising for Movember, which is the charity of why we're all here today. We're all here to raise funds and save lives. So Movember is the leading global charity for men's health. We focus on 3 cause areas: mental health, suicide prevention, prostate cancer, and testicular cancer. On average, men die 5 years earlier than women do, largely due to preventable reasons. 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime. Testicular cancer is the most common cancer among young men ages 15 to 34. And globally, we lose 1 man to suicide every minute of every hour of every day. That's 60 men an hour. In the US, those stats even rise even more. So we know that while men's health is critical, it also has a ripple effect on so many other issues throughout the world and so many other causes. So we know through focusing on things that we can control, we can have healthier men and therefore healthier communities and a healthier world. So the funds raised today go to critical life-changing programs. In the US, we focus on digital health programs that help you have healthier conversations with important men in your life. We also focus on youth sport and mental health because we know preventing things is critical to long-term health. We know that through sport, we can change the behaviors of young boys to have healthier outcomes as they get older and influence relationships in their life. With prostate cancer, we really focus not only on the prevention side, where, going to the doctor, getting tested, all those healthy behaviors that we know lead to healthier outcomes, but we also focus on the post-cancer diagnosis and treatment, right? Around your sexual health. What does that mean after you've been diagnosed? And with testicular cancer, we really focus on the main thing, which is to check yourself. How many people today have checked their balls? Every day. We love ball checkers. Great, thank you. It's important though, right? Have those conversations, take those actions, be preventative. Bet you guys didn't think you're gonna come here today and get a ball check reminder. With all that said, the funds raised today really are important, and we can't do the work that we do without each and every one of you. So all I ask for you today is to do 3 things. 1, not only check in on yourself, but check in on others, right? Having conversations, checking in are so important in what we do. Make sure that you spread the word about Movember. It's not just about the men that we love in our life, but it's about building healthier communities and checking in on the communities of men. Each and every one here has an important man in their life that they care about, and we want these men and boys to be living longer, happier, healthier lives. And third, we want you guys to have fun. Part of Movember and the root of who we are is bringing fun while doing good. So on behalf of all of Movember, the men we serve, the communities we serve, and everyone around the globe, thank you, and let's have some fun.